and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the news antiphons from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Shillong youngsters brings glory to the state in the EPP camp. Meghalaya Asha Workers Union receives new office bearers. Home Guard volunteer seizes 2 drug peddlers from Madandating. And Jintru defeats Umran Dairi in T20 Cricket Championship. And now the news in detail. The Meghalaya State Olympic Association, in collaboration with the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, organized a 3-day First Elite Pathway Program EPP camp, which began at the Sai Center in Nehu on the 1st April. Present in the occasion includes the Cabinet Minister Shri A.L. Hek, who was the chief guest, and Chief Secretary Shri D.P. Walang, the guest of honor. Senior officials from the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, led by its working president Shri John F. Khasinews and General Secretary Shri Faintly El Paria. The athletes called for the camp were tested at the district level and selected based on their performances in a series of standardized tests according to set benchmarks. For the Shillong camp, these benchmarks were raised and the youngsters still perform exceedingly well in many cases.
The first phase of this star identification program took place last year in the month of July, and I'm happy that the government has taken this initiative to, go ahead with the second phase. Unfortunately, as far as our state is concerned, we have been underperformers in sports. We have been underperformers in the sense that we have never had even one Arjuna Award winner. We have never had any Padma Shri from among the sports people. So a program like this actually will go a long way because we are developing a good ecosystem now for advancement of sports and also for the benefit of sports lovers and sports persons. So if you can see, the ecosystem is developed in such a way that this is just one part of it. Then, as mentioned by the president of MSOA, the prize money, the scholarship, everything has been enhanced. Look at the infrastructure. Today you're sitting here, but in about a year's time, you see the infrastructure that is developed in Polo, in Garo Hills, in Tura, even in obscure villages also. We are making good stadiums, quality stadiums, and indoor halls so that all of you will benefit, all of you will get the advantage of using those facilities. So with that in mind, this multi-pronged approach, we are hoping that it will bring Meghalaya to the map of performers, and I'm sure that in maybe 4 or 5 years' time, you'll all be performing.
The Meghalaya Asha Workers Union on the 1st April celebrated the 5th convention, which was held in Jayao Shiap Lumpalon Community Hall, whereby thousands of Asha workers from all over Meghalaya participated. The celebration started with the election to select new office bearers of the union, which includes the post of the president, secretary and treasurer. M. June Marsing was elected as the president, Badahun Shisha Dakhar as secretary, and Fiona Liza Timong was elected as the treasurer. Speaking with the media persons, the new president assures to fulfill the pre-presented issues and demands which were placed before the government, which is to raise the salary of Asha workers. The strength of the Asha workers in the state is not less than 8,000 and the salary is just 2,000 per month. The new president stands firm with the old demand made by the union, that is to raise the salary of the Asha workers, and if the government does not meet their demands, they will resort to a rally even if it leads to quitting their jobs.
Jong kami Meghalaya Asha Workers Union. Di katong kubahakmat kabangadon kolongba kumtu kumbahikisem kibala adep nakaliang jonga ngajuyalami ki Asha bangin letpan ya ka pisa nakaliang juga state government bakin ketiu mo namarba kitiu tang arhajatun ka hakisibanai kabasang dor rip rung ka kasisi tingi sungsu bagi Asha jongi kinomla ahi bakin umpunta tingi la don hiru kecingakran bat ki health minister kibala lek barim mensua kum iba AL Hek nang tai James nang ma ti nakalin jongki kila pular ki ong bangi ngin examine suai kakam ke jongki Asha kalong kumnu ti hadin bangi la dep examine ki ong ngin sa aya karai pi bakat no ngin la ban pentiu te hadin katu nakaliang jonga ngalak persang pangan budin rai ka klempoi syai te kathong jonga kolong pamenta hadin mangala ayo ban bat beng kum ke presiden jongkol Meghalaya Asha Workers Union ngan ha ban pen ken mau yo ke state government ki jongi halor ki jingya keren ki bamen shua bakadai ban pen kiu no ya ke siu jong ki Asha nakaliang jong ke state government nakaliang jong ke Meghalaya Asha Workers Union hak banang kongi ong ya ke state government bakan pen kiu ki jing siu ngi klembu kono ngador ya ailat ya ke government hi bakan jet lan ya bakan perkhat kat nu kala ban ai mari ba ka klem ai kum ne ladang ya pet ket kum ki dor jong ke ba menta ni so bangin dawa bet kum bakan dai hajar i ha ga shi banai kenang ba ki Asha ki la ban in kum balai spat ka ha si ni ban sengin haban mi shamandan lan ngin ban sengin haban sangi na wadi gi jing trai kamru namba ka duty kala long so heavy nginom la shi bangin trai ladangin trai tang ya ka kam Asha kemut ki Asha baro ka long kinom la syuk ban pendap ki jing don kam ki bahaying ki jing siwi barit tela dangin nom trai ki kam ki chong ki ru kadai ke duty ki bamaki ki la abu ki ai bai order ki Asha ko ot ki ong ki Asha ki dei ki nom trai mon soba nrai mentai ka kam pat ki syu ai bet da ko hukum ki Asha bikin hak ban le kum ta kin hak ban pendap kum ta hapok kata singi la ni hapok kata kanta.
With dedication and the diligence of a Home Guard volunteer, Riganson Karlor of Madanutting Traffic Branch, while on duty at Madanutting Bazaar, 2 drug traffickers were seized along with 2 soap boxes containing 23.84 grams of heroin, 1 Honda CB, 125cc bike, 2 mobile phones and 1 debit card were recovered from the drug peddlers. The accused persons were immediately apprehended and are still under police custody for investigation for further drug traces. The hard work of the Home Guard will not go to waste since the DGP himself praised his work with the consideration to award his job well done. From the 16 cricket team who participated in the second Open to All T20 Cricket Knockout Championship organized by the youth group Umsning Umsoalang Ripoy District in collaboration with Speed Hood, 2 competing teams came to a stern game to achieve the sole victory. The Knockout Cricket Championship was held on the 1st April 2023 at a playground in Umsning Umsoalang, whereby Magdalene S. Maulong MDC Umsning constituency was the chief guest. In the competition between Jintru and Umran Dairy, the former bagged victory after it earned multiple runs that dropped all the wickets of Umran Dairy 11, exceeding by 39 runs. Jintru received a 60,000 cash prize along with a trophy, and Umran Dairy 11 received 30,000 cash prize with a trophy. Addressing the gathering, Magdalene encouraged the young players to strive for excellence and keep training themselves for better future opportunities. Participating in the event includes Nikki A. Kharthangmao, Rocky Kalla, Chairman Umsning Town Darbar, Shanbha, Village Headman to Umsning Umsoalang, Angel Star Khonghat, Village Headman to Umsning Proper A, Melchizedek, Village Headman to Umsning Loom Romand and others.
Ya kaba kadan katakala yo kam yo jam. Abtang ki player ki bala banyo lesi katakalat banyo kamay jakpo. Dai wat ki empire ki skora wat ki pitch planter bada ka ju kapot ki coach ru ki dan ka banta ka bakraw ya kaba ki yo pat banwat katakalat yo kam yo jam. Ngala yo ru bantua jimut hangkani ka sports ka cricket. Ya ka babon nangi habangi syong hakani ka madan. Teng hapadeng ka jing buon kam. Hapadeng ka jing te jing ki kam. Hari bigi yo pat ban saki. Sngu tenat. Sngu shngan. Pada ka juk ka pot. Sngu kelut ka jing mut ka jing perkhan. Bat kendiat ngakwa ban kren ye pigi kun samla ki ba iet. Bakalaway ka jong pi kam de ban kut akani ka padang. Ay baka ay kasap ka ba ublay upen kup halor jong pi la ka long ha kasap ya le kai la ka long ha cricket ka football bat ka basketball ngidon kam ban kentiu ya ka ne ka kam bat ngidon kam ru ya pi iwei mi shakmat bandon bat kam mensim ban kentiu ya ka ne ka kam ban ngit scam ha ka ni ka po ka ba menta kam dei ka po ka ba ngi baro ngila ban yo ya ka kam ka jam ka ba bet ka ba biang Henry ka niru ka day, kakam ka jam, kababaro ki buram, bat ki nyokot, bat ki nyoburam, hadu ki sngi ki kabenta. Bat ni kwa ban ki yatu AP kan dia ansoy. Lesi ki don ki kun samla ki ba, ki kun ka samla, kan thay bat shendrang, don ru ki kanarit ki ba, siap ho snam shejrong, ki ba don kata ki interest kumbo ong dian. Bandang pentebit, bandang ay ka jing hikai ba kambha. Na kaliang, jong ka RBDCE ka don kata ka jing hikai lani ka training ngim don kam shu ban mi nang ni na po district jong ni ka don hang tay po umbuda po nong po ngasmo ban ai kata ka jing kentu kan pam ban ai men si mi piki kun samla bada shisha bakata ka laway baka jing yo i jingai ke jong ni baka jing it baka passion na kabenta ka sports ni don kampat ban ai men sim ban ni don kam ya ke academy ya ka begin yo pat ban kentiu ya ka ni ka kami le kai habaro kiliang tingi ngek scam baling bai ni ipor balingkot ya ka bangi yo banya sakhilang haringkat lang bat kirang ba shnong bat kinong shnong bat kinong yalam shnong haringkat jong pi ka tin iwei ngadon hang ni ban ai men sim ya pi nginum dei Badan ka mensim, badan mengin kenran din. Mereka mensim menang penslor ki kun samla ki jongi. Bakin mi syakmat, bakin tur syakran, lakalong hakanu kaliang. But kaway ka mensim, true sportsmanship. Habang idon hakani ka madan, kawara ika jingya iit, ka jingya buram mar kaliang. Bara ka ju kapor, binginang kentiu ikani ka kam sports. Wat ong bakan kut o tang hakani ka sni. Hindi inang don pat kiway ki match nang ni syakmat ya ka bangiru niyo banya sakhilang banya ay mensim lang ni pi iway kublay shibu ni pi baro ingit scam baro atli ki team daram na job ndai ka bakongsan ka di ka participation ka jing shin benta kublay shibu kublay syajar.
On the 1st April, the United Democratic Party UDP Nongpor Circle venerated Meral Bond's aim MLA Nongpor constituency regarding the victory in the MLA elections which was held recently. Office bearers of UDP, which includes Balaji Rani, MDC of Nongpor constituency, President UDP Riboy Donbok Khamden, Michael Karhunai Sketri, Minister Fraj Umwang, members of UDP Nongpor Circle, RR Makdo, influential leaders, members of Women's Wing, Youth Wing, different units of UDP supporters were present in the veneration of MLA Meral Bond's aim.
Circle, district, kumjuru di kumulego kerpang, ia i samet pakno kumbu presiden, beranpa jong ka UDP apa adalah ini berlaku. Kadang kejing kami nanti, bab kejing angnut, hakapor bangidang yaya, hakejing campaign election dari kekanbah election. Bagi pak jong kejelam Meghalaya, kin ai yang kejing kersan kawapura, ia ke parti. Lembat kejing angnut, kejing kami nanti, bab haki election speech kita prepare. Bukan kalian juga maju track. Bagla dei kapor, ba niladongkam yang menteri ramba nak kasih dia. Nilai segi pajak, benterwa yang kisau penrimut ki kertong, sausan gawe kerangsa. So yang kerangsa, benterwa yang kini ki kertong, segi pajak. Jom ka rilum kasih jantiawat garu. Denre ni haban priang ya kamon jom dipaipa kipalai. Na di saupo santli kisit kipaipa kira berjom hadoi kli. Hagar dari kami kerisok keladan kejing kusya. Ban yalum panyalam. Naga unta yo ia soka banyalam dari UDP. Keadaan kejing bersya dan regidip bahagia sensia baiklah bantau yang soka iran kam yang nambah habyo lain kuimut kia beli bantau yang soka apa berjalan habla bersyang berbeda berkemi lani bermok out ya kata mlah bantau nomor kejing yeso dengan parti UDP berkerja berdol apa sorkar MDA itu kita lagi berkemen kita lagi berpenyau kita lagi berperhat dan kemudian kita pun kau nomor kata kemudian hikmat boki bila penjauh berled penjauh yang sorkar harus kemudian akhir ini kadang-kadang kita bersang berperhat ban omongin bersang ban adem gilat kilenti patau sorka namar paka nambar kapia pan perhat naga benta kijing kibabul apo konspirasi ni hapi penshim ke garai har wingut ke le lembat kinong ilang ko parti penshim ya garai man ong bahit penyeso pakas lalu bakara un perhat tang ile shimen kamile deng hapi perhat na taju kesurok nongpo omden sunapur kadang sakut Home Second PHC kadang sakut yang padio. Kasop sentar supply kadang sakut empat dia. Kasop sentar mencapai kunalan jakuswai orang kadang sakut. Kanoden ribuan college samuden dan lengkap berbanyak kan. Ki school ki school sorkar, ki school begitu dan hampan perbaiki. Ki sama wakam macam macam ribuan dengan pokok si dan kam ya jadi Krishna tahu. Adin malah perkat sani. Dan jadi setuju murlang. Bagi nong yalam jong parti. Aku gila perkat nak mendak jadi mendoy. Jong paipa bobun balang di dalam rajung asyik. Isu dia karai ban Krishna, ban sendrom. Momdon na gawin ko party akan ang election ko panta kabiyo yang absolute majority lene ka nambar ko pura haban thaw gilat kilenti ban thaw ko sarkar sendro ban thaw ko sarkar namar ka kala shimi dinta ka daw mo iki benne mo ile sidon ki berkemen don ki berbenyaw don ki bersubsi ada ki jong ki ko berkat ngilong maju kan berkat dengan kerenang ini akan rezeki kumpulan leaders di dalam babin syah nak bentang ini.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.